This is a brand new 2012 Ram truck. It has a 6-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear-view camera, a remote start feature, a heated steering wheel, heated front seats, a low tire pressure indicator, aluminum wheels, and power-adjustable gas and brake pedals enable you to change their height and distance to fit your body rather than you fit to their positions. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, variable valve timing, a bed liner, running boards, stability control, a sliding rear window, and fog lamps. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Thank you for considering Sulphur Springs Chrysler Dodge Ram Jeep for your next new or pre-owned vehicle. For additional information, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership. We are conveniently located at 1505 West Industrial Drive in Sulphur Springs. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future service. You're going to love us.